To perform this work, you're going to begin by safely raising and supporting the vehicle. For additional assistance with that task, please follow the link provided at the end of this video. Let's start with the 6-cylinder engines. Locate the 9 Phillips head twist fasteners, green arrows, and turn 90 degrees counterclockwise. They should pop out or become loose after doing this. Let the rear half of the engine cover come down a few inches in the direction of the blue arrow. Then slide the engine splash shield towards the rear of the car in the direction of the blue arrow. Installation is the reverse of removal. On the 8-cylinder engine vehicles, locate the 9 Phillips head twist fasteners, green arrows, and turn them each 90 degrees counterclockwise. They should pop out or become loose after you do this. There is a metal bracket at the back of the splash shield. You can take off the fasteners at either end, but we recommend you take off the one attached to the body of the car. Let the rear part of the panel drop down a few inches in the direction of the blue arrow. Slide the engine splash shield towards the rear of the car to remove it from the front valance panel and bumper. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.